Hi guys, welcome back to my channel or welcome to my channel. Hi guys, my name is Bhavna and I make video related to fashion, makeup, lifestyle, sometime vlogging on this channel. So if you're new, please subscribe this video right now. No. This channel video ko to apply karogi na. So welcome guys. So today we are back with the most amazing video which I'm very excited about always. Last year भी मैंने एक वीडियो बनाई थी about the Nykaa recommendations because Nykaa पे लगी है Hot Pink Friday sale. You heard it right, guys. Finally, the most awaiting sale is coming. Oh my god! And honestly, वो start हो चुकी है. जब तक ये वीडियो आएगी start हो चुकी है, guys. So I thought I should share my top recommendation with you guys, but this time genuinely those products which I feel like are worth your each and every penny. So without wasting our time, let's start with the video, guys. Before that, a disclaimer: I genuinely want to give to all people out there, I don't mean to like promote that you need to buy a lot. It's just that I want to cater to each and every person out there who wants different things on different budget, because मैं हर चीज दिखाने वाली हूँ इस वीडियो में, from high end to affordable to drug store. It's just that I want to give everything to everyone out, the options, but buy those things which you feel like you genuinely want and you genuinely like those products, not just by getting influenced seeing this video. So that's it, guys. Let's start with the video, guys, without wasting a time. Okay, starting off, the first product, guys. This product is my most favorite. It is my second bottle of this liner. It's from Prosh, guys. The tip of this liner is so thin. By the way, I didn't did a great eyeliner today, but look at it. It's so precise और इतने अच्छे तरीके से आप विंग लगा सकते हो विद दिस लाइनर. लॉन्ग लास्टिंग है, इट्स वेरी इजी टू रिमूव एंड इट्स सो कंफर्टेबल एंड आपको फील नहीं होता आप लाइनर लगा रखा है, एंड इट्स वेरी इजी. आई थिंक दिस इज अ मस्ट बाय. Okay, now let's talk about foundation. Honestly, guys, these two are the only foundation which I'm going to recommend. I have a lot of high-end product as well. I have like Huda Beauty one, Estee Lauder one. But personally, I feel like you want something which you can wear on everyday basis. I just personally feel that way. So these two perform like magic. This though I have, this is the L'Oreal Infallible one, and my shade is 125 warm undertone. And just look at it, it doesn't even feel like you have applied foundation, guys. This is so smooth. And the the best बात about these particular one are these कि आप जितनी क्वांटिटी लोगे ना आपको उतनी कवरेज मिलेगी. आप कम लगाओगे आपको कम कवरेज मिलेगी. इफ यू टेक मोर यू विल गेट मोर. सो इवेंचुअली यू कैन बिल्ड इट अप ऑन योर ओन. सो दिस इज द बेस्ट. लॉरियल का कंसीलर है, ये भी मेरा अनदर रिकमेंडेशन है, गाइज. बहुत ज्यादा अच्छे हैं. मतलब अगर तुम आंख बंद करके दो चीज खरीदना चाहते हो अपनी वैनिटी के लिए, तुम्हें कुछ नहीं पता क्या खरीदना अपने बेस के लिए, these are the two products that you need. These two are like the chaddi buddy. So the next product is a eyeshadow, and that too from Huda Beauty, guys. Huda Beauty eyeshadow are the top notch, the best eyeshadow in the market. Like, believe me, I have that naughty nude palette as well. I am not showing this in video because apparently it has been discontinued in India. I don't know why. मेरे को काफी लोग अभी भी मेरी वीडियो पे कमेंट करते हैं like where can I buy this, where can I buy this. Apparently it's discontinued. If you live abroad or if you have someone abroad, please उनसे मंगवाओ please, because that's like the best palette. But there are other palettes also. यार तुम हुडा ब्यूटी की कोई भी आई शेडो पैलेट ले सकते हो, एंड दीज परफॉर्म लाइक अमेजिंग. आई नो दे आर एक्सपेंसिव, बट इफ यू बाय ड्यूरिंग दिस टाइम, like for example this is retails I think for 2400, you can easily get it for like 1300 or by 1400, which is decent enough. And this is going to long last you a lot. The pigment, the payoff, I think it's worth the investment, and you just need one. So this is the nude medium one. I pick up this one because it has that nice color shade, and just look at it. I genuinely love Huda Beauty eyeshadow palettes. You can buy any one during this sale because usually Huda Beauty has 40% off during this time. Okay, now if we are talking about eyeshadow, this is one thing I think either you are a bride or either you are just someone who wants one glitter in your eyeshadow palette, just one. This is that. and this is actually the dupe of Urban Decay, which is the most famous one. It is the ColourPop Shimmer eyeshadow. It's a one eyeshadow. It's in the shade Ritz. And guys, ये इतना 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 अच्छा है ना, believe me. और इसकी जो sparkle है, that's the another level. Let me just show you guys. Oh my god. Just look at it. Now, let's talk about some concealers. So, the first one is this NARS Spot Concealer. Guys, this is so good. If you have money, and abhi sale mein to even it's going to be more cheaper, please buy it. It's just that it is a pot, so you need to dig in your finger and just apply it. But this is super full coverage. It can hide anything, like anything, any mark, any scar, anything with just a little quantity goes away. And you have seen this a lot on reel going viral, and it is really worth the hype. So definitely you should buy this. Now comes the OG, my first ever luxury concealer. This is the Too Faced Born This Way Sculpting Concealer. Guys, कहते हैं ना कि पुरानी चीज is gold, old is gold. This is one of those things. This is such a nice concealer. मैंने last year भी इसको recommend किया था. There are a lot of things I'm re-recommending. If you want, you can watch my 2024 also video where I recommended the products. Guys, एक तो the quantity you get, it's not going to finish. And if you want one thing, just one thing, and if you have little money for concealer, for your foundation, for your spot concealing, please buy this without a second thought. It's so good. Okay, guys, now I want to suggest something from this brand, which is New Sticks. Guys, this is the OG, the perfect time to buy it from this brand, because at this point it is mostly 40% off, and it makes a huge difference because the blushes is every expensive. So first one is this nude stick blush. It's a matte blush. I didn't like the dewy one a lot more. I'm not that person, but I genuinely like this matte one. I have applied this. This looks so easy to blend. You have your blush over here, and and you have your brush, your blush, your brush. And this actually works, by the way. Now, moving forward, another product which I genuinely want to recommend is this Benefit pomade, brow pomade. I am so sorry, I might be pronouncing it wrong. This is how it looks. It's a brow product. It comes like this, and the coverage you get, आप मतलब ऐसा लगेगा you did your eyebrow किसी से एक्सपर्ट से, क्योंकि वो इतना नाइसली तुम्हें शेप कर देता है द पिगमेंट, एंड ये बिल्कुल भी बच नहीं होता. आई थिंक इट्स अ वर्थ इन्वेस्टमेंट, और ये खत्म नहीं होता बिकॉज इसके अंदर क्वांटिटी इतनी ज़्यादा है. सो आई थिंक इट्स अ मस्ट बाय. आई जेन्युइनली लव दिस. नाउ गाइस, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट setting sprays. If I want to blindly tell you buy one setting spray, would be this L'Oreal one. Guys, मेरे पास इसकी 3 bottles हैं. Believe me, this is very good. I have never tried something like this. It's not a makeup spray जो यूजुअली होता है. ये आपकी ये ना फिक्स कर देता है, कुछ भी मूव नहीं करता आपका मेकअप इसके बाद, कितना ही स्वेटिंग कुछ भी हो. दिस इज वेरी गुड. ऐसा लगता है तुम्हारी फेस पर किसी ने प्लास्टर लगा दिया है और कुछ मूव नहीं कर सकता. दिस इज सो गुड. बिल्कुल भी एक्सपेंसिव नहीं है. Please buy this. Genuinely. Apart from that, I have 2 more recommendation. One is this Huda Beauty one. I do have in miniature one. This is the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Setting Spray. Amazing. It has this. Do you see? It has niacinamide. It has a lot of more ingredients. Yeah, rice starch, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid. It's an alcohol free and fragrance free. It's actually very good, by the way, guys. It sets your makeup. It makes smells your makeup. बहुत important होता है. कभी कभी you need to melt your makeup. सब कुछ blend in हो जाए. It is one of those. और ये set भी कर देता है उसको. So I think it's amazing. And the another one which I genuinely want to recommend is this Milani Make It Last Setting Spray. I have miniature, like as I told you. If you one suggestion, if I would get you na, first try miniature one, then buy full size one, because you get to know that would that product you genuinely would like it, और आप उसको यूज करना चाहोगे, या बिकॉज आप बड़ा साइज इज एक्सपेंसिव, छोटा साइज कंपेरेटिवली देखा जाए थोड़ा सा एक्सपेंसिव पड़ता है अकॉर्डिंग टू स्मॉलर वन, बट दिस इज एक्चुअली गुड. आप इसे ट्राई कर सकते हो प्रोडक्ट, एंड इट्स द बेस्ट. ये शार्लेट टिलबरी का ड्यूप है. इट्स सो गुड, सो गुड. ओके, I want to recommend this Smashbox palette to each and everyone out there who can afford it. Please buy it. I don't know why people don't talk about this, but this is hell good. ये इतना 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 ज़्यादा अच्छा है ना, एंड मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ क्यों अच्छा है. एक तो इसके अंदर इसकी क्वालिटी इतनी अच्छी है ना, इतनी अच्छी इसकी क्वालिटी. मिरर मिलते एक तो आपको इतना बड़ा, एंड यू गेट 2 bronzing shade, 2 highlighter, 1 blush, and this can be seen as compact या highlighter. मेरे को नहीं पता इसका क्या यूज हो सकता है, बट इसका highlighter बहुत अच्छा है, इसके blush बहुत अच्छा है, ओवरऑल बहुत बहुत अच्छा है. पिगमेंट बहुत अच्छा, आपको इतनी सारी चीज़ें नहीं खरीदनी पड़ेंगी, एक के अंदर आपको बहुत सारे काम कर देगा, एंड इट इज़ सो गुड. Then another blush. This is really sasta, but this is so good. It's the Mars Lip and Cheek Tint, and it's in the shade 004. Guys, इतना हाईली पिगमेंटेड है ना ये कि मैं डरती हूँ इसको यूज करने से. लाइक इतना ज्यादा ये पिगमेंटेड है, बट ब्लेंड बहुत अच्छी से तरीके से होता है ना. आपको जेन्युइनली एक डॉट चाहिए ट्रैवलिंग के लिए, इतना इजी है. इट्स वेरी चीप. इट्स आई थिंक 300 रुपीज इट इज रिटर्न ओवर हेयर, बट यार सेल पे तो तुम्हें सस्ता ही मिलेगा ना. Okay, guys, now moving towards our setting powders. So I have 2 setting powders in different categories, sort of different price range. The first one is this K Beauty one. It's in the shade Banana. Guys, this is a really nice setting powder. It's so lightweight, easily blend हो जाता है, and ये इतना अच्छा दिखता है. It just melts into your skin और आपके मेकअप को ना सेट कर देता है, केकी नहीं लगता. बहुत अच्छा है. यू शुड डेफिनेटली बाय इन दिस टाइम, बिकॉज ये आपको बहुत अच्छी डील पे मिलता है. मैंने भी जब भी खरीदा था, एंड इट्स द परफेक्ट वन, एंड ये बिल्कुल मैसी नहीं होता. एंड आप देख सकते हो इसकी पैकेजिंग भी कितनी अच्छी है. सो आई थिंक या. सो द अनदर वन इज द स्मैक वन, एंड इट्स इन द शेड मीडियम. इट्स द स्टूडियो फिक्स प्रो सेटिंग प्लस ब्रल. गाइज, मैं सच्ची बताऊं, प्लीज के ब्यूटी से भी ज़्यादा अच्छा है ये, बट जस्ट वॉन्टेड टू शो यू किसी और के लिए भी हो बजट में, दैट आई लाइक इन दैट बजट. बट ये उससे भी फाइन है, इतना प्यारा, इतना लाइट वेट. इट्स ब्लेंड, मतलब आपके मेकअप को ये इतनी अच्छी तरीके से ब्लेंड करता है, बिल्कुल केकी नहीं. एंड वन थिंग आई जस्ट ऑब्सेस्ड विद दिस वन इज दैट द पैकेजिंग बहुत स्लीक है, एंड इसके अंदर एक ब्यूटी पफ आता है. गाइज, दिस इज वन ऑफ द सॉफ्टेस्ट पफ आई हैव एवर हैड, एंड ये इतना अच्छा है. आप कहीं जा रहे हो ना, इसकी पैकेजिंग भी वो नहीं होती. यू जस्ट नीड टू ओपन इट, लेना है प्रोडक्ट. इट इज सच अ नाइस प्रोडक्ट, एंड आपको जस्ट करना है. अनदर कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर आई एम हुक्ड बाय, ऑब्सेस्ड बाय, एंड वुड लिटरली इन्फ्लुएंस सबको. अगर एक लग्जरी प्रोडक्ट खरीदना है ना, डेफिनेटली बाय दिस शार्लेट टिलबरी एयर ब्रश कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर. दिस इज मिनिएचर वन, बिकॉज ये बहुत महंगा है, बहुत महंगा. बट इस टाइम पे शार्लेट टिलबरी हैज 25% ऑफ टू समटाइम 30. सो डेफिनेटली 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 बाय दिस. देर इज नथिंग इन द मार्केट देन दिस पाउडर. कितने ही ड्यूप्स आपको ऑनलाइन दिखा दे, बट जो ये ओजी प्रोडक्ट है, नथिंग कैन रिप्लेस इट. और ये इट जस्ट एक्चुअली मेक्स योर मेकअप सेट सो सीमलेसली, सो नाइसली, एंड एक बिल्कुल एयर ब्रश वाला फिनिश आता है. मतलब ऐसा लगता है बहुत नेचुरल है, बहुत सीमलेस है, बिल्कुल केकी नहीं दिखता है. आई जेन्युइनली जेन्युइनली वांट, प्लीज़ एक बार कभी इसको लाइफ में ट्राई करना. बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है. मुझे पहले लगता था ये क्या हाइप, इतना महंगा, बट जब सच में तुमने ट्राई करोगे ना, यू वुड फील इट दैट ईच एंड एवरी पेनी इज वर्थ द मनी. Okay, another blush which I genuinely want to recommend everyone is this Huda Beauty one. These are miniature one. Thankfully India में launch हो चुके हैं. These are the baby blush duo, rose and berry. एक light है, एक थोड़ा सा dark है. You can mix match and you can just create your own shade. And personally these are expensive one, but अभी ये off पे आपको और better deal में मिल सकते हैं. First of all, look at the packaging, the most cute packaging. These are so tiny, tinnu tinnu se, and guys, these look really natural. It's very easy to blend these, very seamless, and you can just travel with these. And छोटे से quantities a long way. For example, if I put it here, just look at the pigment. It is so good. Okay, guys, now I want to talk about one product. I think it's been 2 to 3 years. I am obsessed with this product. I tell to everyone, every recommendation video is this ELF Power Grip Primer. This is so good. Today I have applied it. बट ये इतना 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 ज़्यादा अच्छा है गाइस. एंड मेरी पता नहीं कौन सी बॉटल है, मैं इतना ऑब्सेस्ड हूँ इस वाले प्राइमर से. एंड वन सजेशन आई वुड गिव यू ऑल, buy elf product during this time because it is buy one and get one free. Usually elf don't have a lot of discount on like normal sales, but this is the best time to buy elf product, and this is an amazing primer. If you're talking about elf, I just want to show you two more elf product which I genuinely love. First is this elf blush and it's in the shade Coral Crush. Guys, this is so good. Please Rare Beauty अगर नहीं खरीदी है तो, अगर तो unless and until you are so hyped about Rare Beauty, I have, that's why I'm telling you now, buy this. This is the most amazing, most pigmented, most long lasting blush you can ever have. I am obsessed with this. This is my, I think, number one blush in my kit. I have a lot of blushes, a lot of high end to drugstore to very affordable one. This is amazing. ये कोई इसको beat नहीं कर सकता. Please definitely buy it. And इस time पे you can buy two shades for like one price. It's so good. You should definitely buy it. Another one is this Hello Glow Beauty Wand Highlighter. Guys, ये बहुत 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 प्यारा है. इतना easily blend हो जाता है. The only thing is the applicator, but it's fine. एंड जेन्युइनली ये बहुत अच्छा प्रोडक्ट है. मेरे को इसकी ब्लश इतनी अच्छी नहीं लगती बिकॉज आई फील लाइक वो ज़्यादा, इट्स मोर टुवर्ड्स हाईलाइटर, नॉट एज अ ब्लश. बट दिस is just amazing. I think definitely you should buy ELF product in this time, especially because you get buy one get one deal, and all, I think mostly ELF products are really good. I just love, I have a lot of ELF product. I just love a lot of those products. So if I want to recommend another blush, which this would be the one. This is the K Beauty blush and these are so good. It's blend like very easily. सेल पे आपको बहुत अच्छे रेट में मिलेंगे एंड ये ना बहुत नेचुरल लुक देता है. एंड यू कैन जस्ट टेक अ लिटिल क्वांटिटी विच गोज अ लॉन्ग वे. बहुत इजीली आप इसको ट्रैवल कर सकते हो. एंड blending is very easy and the shade looks so good. Indian skin tone pe especially, I think it's a must buy during this sale time. Then moving towards the another product, this is the Smashbox Photo Finish Smooth Plus Blur Primer. This is one of the again OG products guys. ये इतना अच्छा है. Blurs your pore like anything, makes your makeup so flawless, sticks your makeup, makes a very nice canvas for your makeup. Like skin जो होती है आपको वो canvas को की तरह create कर देता है, very smooth. आपके जितने pores होते हैं, bumps होते हैं, उसको पूरे clearing दे देता है. And your makeup glides so nicely. And सच बता रही हूँ मैं आपको, ये actually में worth the hype है. Now moving towards one of my recent obsession, this Too Faced blush. It's the Cloud Crush. It's in the shade Velvet Crush. Cloud Crush in the shade Velvet Crush. Wow. मेरे को बस इसकी ओपनिंग अच्छी नहीं लगती यार. मैं I just struggle a lot while opening this product. But this is such a amazing shade. I just love it. It blends so seamlessly. It looks very nice, long lasting, and honestly telling you, it's a makeup artist approved. So this is a worth buying blush. Moving towards that category, I think that's also very important if we talk about makeup. That is blushes, brushes, and beauty sponge and puffs. So if you want to buy brush, you can definitely check out Mars. They have the best quality one at a very good affordable price. You can buy something set like this, or you can buy these set one. These are also perform amazing, or you can buy this 5-in-1 also. These are so good quality, makes your makeup blend so seamlessly, and I would highly recommend just buy these one because क्वालिटी प्राइस हर चीज़ बहुत टॉप नॉच है. अभी आपको ये अच्छे डिस्काउंट मिलेगा. डेफिनेटली यू शुड बाय दिस वन. I think when we talk about beauty blender, so perfect one would be the Prosh one. This is actually the new one. I have used this old one. Look at the condition of this. This is so soft, blends your makeup like anything. The powder puff, they are so smooth, so lightweight. I think if you want to buy in this category, definitely check out Prosh. They have the amazing quality one, and I think the price, everything is just top notch. So you can definitely check out this brand for your beauty blenders or your beauty puffs or powder puffs. And then moving forward, I would really recommend you guys to buy this Panorama mascara. I would suggest everyone to buy a drugstore mascara, because you cannot use a mascara within 6 months. Like that's not technically possible, and mascara ज़्यादा time तक आपको रखना भी नहीं चाहिए, because वो dry out भी हो जाता है, and that's not good because eyelashes की बात है. So I think definitely ये L'Oreal का Panorama mascara is one of the best mascara. I have applied right now also. You can look how gorgeous it looks. I think it's worth the money, worth, and it's not very expensive. Like usually on sale you get it on a very great discount. It's very easy to apply, very easy, sort of very easy to remove. Not, you just need to work a little harder, but this is really good. You should definitely try out, and you can give as much as volume you want by this mascara. Now moving forward, I want to talk about these three eye pencils. I think for everyone, these are one of the best eye pencils. They stay a great pigmentation, the formula, the color, the it's overall the best one I have ever find out a late. The first one is for high end. It's the Bobbi Brown one. This is so pigmented. It is such a Z black color. It stays amazing. I think definitely you should check out this. It's a bit on a higher side, but this is worth your every money. Then this brown one, specially one, this is from Rimmel, and the shade is 002 chocolate brown. Guys, so easy to apply, so seamless, has a very nice brown color. And let me just show you guys, so easy to blend and apply. I think worth the money. And the another third one is the pack one, such a Z black one. I think for if you don't have budget for the Bobbi Brown one, you can definitely check out this pack one also. I think these three are my top eye pencils. I would recommend anyone. You can create a smudge look, you can create a liner with these. I think these are amazing. Okay, now comes the last category, lips one. So for lips, I'm just telling you the brands. You can check out the shade however you like. The first one is this not a lipstick, but it's a Lineage lip balm. Guys, this is such a nice lip balm. You should definitely have in your vanity, your kit, for your everyday. This is just expensive, but the best lip balm I have ever tried, and especially this berry one, it's so amazing. Okay, now moving towards our lip liners. One lip liner I would just suggest, प्लीज दिस मार्स लिप लाइनर. बहुत सस्ते हैं यार, बहुत सस्ते. Glide so easily. This is my favorite shade, which is 08 Nude Spell. I have 3-4 shades in this, like the pencils in this. बहुत अच्छे तरीके से अप्लाई होते हैं. इट्स वेरी इजी टू अप्लाई. ये स्टे बहुत अच्छा करते हैं. एंड जिस प्राइस रेंज में मिल रहा है ना, मत खरीदो कोई और. दीज आर मोर देन इनफ. और ये इतनी इजीली तुम्हें शेड्स में मिल जाता है. आई थिंक इनकी 500 400 450 500 का तो पूरे तुम्हें सेट मिल जाता है. तो डेफिनेटली वर्थ बाइंग दीज लिप लाइनर्स ओनली. कोई और मत खरीदो. Okay, now moving towards lipsticks. So first one is this Love Earth की lipstick, and ये मेरा favorite shade है, which is in bottomless mimosa. ये बहुत अच्छी lipsticks है, stay बहुत अच्छा है, comfortable है, long lasting है. I think and इनका ना जो कलर्स है वो इंडियन स्किन टोन पे ज़्यादा सूटेबल हैं. आई पर्सनली फील लाइक वो इंडियन स्किन टोन के अकॉर्डिंग बनाए हैं. सो आई थिंक दीज आर वर्थ द बाय, एंड दीज आर वेरी अफोर्डेबल. लाइक ऑन सेल यू गेट इट फॉर लाइक 350 रुपीज़. बेस्ट. Now moving towards next one, which is this Nykaa one. बहुत अच्छी पिगमेंट है these, especially this shade Bombay. It's such a pretty pink shade. Definitely worth buying it. बहुत लंबा stay तो नहीं है, but it is very comfortable. It's a liquid lipstick. I just love this one. Now moving towards one high-end lipstick, which I would suggest is buy these miniature one. These are from Huda Beauty, and these two shade particularly. One is in Bombshell, one is Transcend. It's a pink and it's a brown. Everyday perfect lipsticks, so easy to apply, very long lasting, so comfortable. Slightly trying, slightly, but perfect formula. I just love these one. Then we have K Beauty one, guys. I think बहुत अच्छा formula इनका. Bit on a pricier side, long lasting, बहुत अच्छा formula है. Don't feel dry at all. बहुत comfortable है. And मेरे को ये birthday पे as a gift मिला था, but because मैं usually red shades खरीदती हूँ, but I just want to tell you, if you want to check out one lipstick brand, these are the K Beauty one, are the best, the best, the best. They are so long lasting, so comfortable, and मतलब इनका जो फॉर्मूला है ना, दैट्स वेरी यूनिक, वेरी डिफरेंट एंड सो गुड. देन इज दिस फे ब्यूटी लिपस्टिक्स. आई थिंक दीज आर एन इंडियन ब्रांड. बहुत अच्छा फॉर्मूला है, इट्स नॉट वेरी ड्राइंग, हल्का सा ड्राइंग है. This is how the packaging, which is very interesting, by the way. I have mixed 2 or 3 shade and applied this. It's also a very nice color. This color is a very nice, it's more, these shades इसके ना, इस brand के shades are more towards nude type of shades. You would get a lot more, but I personally felt that. And the shade is bang. This shade is bang. Last but not the least, माई ऑब्सेशन, रिसेंटली मैंने ख़रीदा था लॉरियल का लिप ऑयल. इट्स इन द शेड वर्थ इट गाइज. बहुत अच्छा है, प्लीज़ खरीद लो. बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है. आई जस्ट लव दिस एंड लेट मी शो यू, जस्ट शो यू. डिफरेंस देखा? एंड इनका जो फॉर्मूला है ना, बहुत यूनिक है, बहुत यूनिक है. ये बहुत अलग है यार, लिप ग्लॉस से भी बहुत अलग है. डेफिनेटली बाय इट. इतना कंफर्टेबल, इतना इजी, थोड़ा सा बर्निंग सेंसेशन होती है इससे, प्लम्पिंग इफेक्ट है, बट वर्थ ईच एंड एवरी पेनी. ओके गाइज, फाइनली विद दैट आर वीडियो कम्स टू एन एंड. बहुत बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे आप सबको ये सब रेकमेंड करके. डू लेट मी नो आप सब क्या बाय करने वाले हो एंड वट यू वॉन्ट मी टू शूट नेक्स्ट. आई विल सी यू सुपर सून. प्लीज़ वंस अगेन आई एम टेलिंग यू, सब कुछ खरीदने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. फील वट एवर यू फील लाइक इट्स इन योर बजट, विच एवर यू वॉन्ट, इग्नोर माई हैंड, whichever is in your budget and you like the product. and मैंने genuinely जितने product है ना, सच में काम करते हैं, इसीलिए मैंने बताए हैं, not just for the sake of the video. मैंने बहुत product छोड़े भी हैं which are already viral, but मुझे personally लगता है यार ये product ना सच में use हो सकते हैं. they stand out and they are very good and sale में खरीदने चाहिए. so with that guys, tata, bye bye, take care. also tell me next video क्या होनी चाहिए so that I can make that video according to you, and comment me how was the video. do like, share and subscribe and share it with your all the friends who are clueless. क्या खरीदे नायका पिंक फ्राइडे सेल पे, नायका हॉट पिंक फ्राइडे सेल पे. अरे तो कंफ्यूज हो जाती हूँ, बट कोई नहीं. बाय बाय गाइस, सी यू सुपर सून.